Hey guys, I figured I've got to move some heaters back in here. So the Toro, it's about 30 degrees out here right now, and right in here it's about 40. Um, we're gonna this is a super cold start of it because it's so cold out here. It's probably even colder than that. But it hadn't been started in a couple days, so we're gonna see how easily it'll start. So let me. Get up here and open the door. Alright. Oh yeah, it'll start. Yeah, definitely. Oh yeah, it's good. Let's pull out. Oh yeah, it does good. Thanks for watching. If you had any video requests for cold starts or something, just let me know. Thanks.